Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Minraj. And first of all, I would like to say thank you so much for clicking this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about myself and my English. My name is Minraj Pun. I'm from Nepal at a small village, and I have completed my 10th from government school, and nowadays I'm improving my English. So uh, I do make a video daily to improve my English, and I hope if you have clicked this video you also want to improve your English at home. You also want to learn English. You also want to speak English at home. And and other thing, I would like to point out that I haven't joined any English institute to learn English, to speak English. Just I'm improving my English gradually at home without paying any single rupees, without join any institute, and without taking any course, even online, even physical class. So, and I would like to make sure that this channel is especially for those students who really want to improve English, who really want to learn English at home, but they are being unable to learn English. For those students, this channel is uh, golden channel. So, if you want to improve your English by at home, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because in this channel I do upload English related video, short stories, uh, English conversation tips, overall how we can improve our English, how we can learn in at home in English. These types of video I uploaded, and I hope you find this video something useful for you. Please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel, and let me know by comment from where you are watching this video. Thank you so much.